Hi all. Thanks for joining to the Informatica Professional Group. A lot of people are facing challenges how the group can be used effectively. So I'm taking this video to show you how the user can be benefited and what are the easy methods we are providing it. So like whenever a user is joining, you can see there is a message called Informatica Materials. So if you are opening that link, it will show to the home page of that what all are the groups are available. So if you want to subscribe this group, they can click this group, so they can be subscribed to this. And if you want to use this power center channel, if they want to go, they can go to the power center channel. And if they want to go for IICS, they can click this IICS. And if they want to go for an IDQ, they can click this MDM, this click. EDC, you can use this click, and Axon, they can use this click. And I'll show you a quick demo on these all the areas. And if you want to search for the jobs, you can use this option to go to this jobs channel, and what are the quizzes are available and what type of interview locations it's there. So let's quickly take a demo how quickly we can go. So it's subscribe this channel. So if you are not subscribed, it will allow you to subscribe by clicking this option. And if you want to go to the power center channel, if you are clicking it, it will leads to the power center channel, and you can see that the people started or listening or watching my watching the images or whatever it is there in this all the channels. So if you are want to see anything, you can check the last message, or if you are dragging a little bit up, you will see all the options, all the items which all are available here related to the certification information for the Informatica Power Center or any other tools. And if you are moving a little bit up, if you are seeing it here, you can see the lot of useful information for the Power Center, all the transformations and all those stuff. And don't forget to watch this last PC video. So if I'm clicking it, it will goes to the one drive location, and it will go to the Informatica Power Center videos. There is a lot of useful documents are there here. So don't miss this to watch this OneDrive file. So that's all for the Power Center. So let's move back to the other thing. So that's all for the Power Center. So if I'm clicking the IICS, I want to get some information, and I can click the IICS page, and you can see that already 650 plus subscribers are using the IICS. And we can see all the people who all are using the IICS page. And if you are going a little bit up, you can see there are a lot of transformation videos. So if you are clicking this any of these things, so if I'm clicking this icon, and it will open the OneDrive image, and it will start playing the videos of you can do what you can do and all. So that's all here. So you can go to the lot of videos. So don't forget to check the last URL for the IICS old videos. So where you will have all the other videos which are present in the IICS. So that's all for the IICS page. And if you are going to the data quality, you can click to the data quality channel, and you can go to this page, and you can see there is a lot of materials are there for this IDQ. So if you are going a little bit up, you can see the IDQ overview, what all are there. And if you want to go to the IDQ help documents, you can get it. And you want to get any supported videos, you can click the supported videos. So it will go to the IDQ supported videos. And if you want to go to the jobs portal, you can click this jobs portal, and it will leads to the jobs portal page. So let's move back to the again. So this is the MDM part, the master data management. If I have clicked that, it will goes to the MDM page, and here you can see right at last what are the materials you are having it. So if you want to subscribe to this channel, you can subscribe this group, or if you want to subscribe, you can. And if you want to go to the MDM videos, you can just double click it, and you can go to the YouTube channel, and you will get a lot of videos related to this uh, for the MDM. So we'll move back again. If you want to go to the EDC part, you will see the EDC options and what are the documentation and PAM files are there. And if you want to go to the Axon, you can click the Axon page and you will see a lot of videos and what are the Axon best practices and all these things in this document. So if you want to, this is an Axon page where you will be seeing all the groups. And if you want to subscribe to this channel, you can click this group. And if you want to go through these, you can go and customize all the values here for the Axon. And if you want to go for a job search, daily jobs posting into these groups, you can click these jobs and you can go through the job files. Based on that, you can see it. So like today I have posted, a lot of people are already started watching the job position, so it's keep on increasing. So daily jobs are there, and we are having 100 close to 200 subscribers are using this jobs portal. And if you want to go for a quizzes, so you can click it, and this is a IICS quiz mode. You can click this and you can watch the IICS quiz. You can participate, and the Informatica quizzes are there here. And last thing, that the interview materials, if you want to go, you can click that and you can open it and you can go to the interview questions. If you want, it will be there in this location. So this is a if I'm coming down, you can see the link. So this is very powerful link. If you're clicking it, it will leads to the pages, and you can go accordingly as per your request or as per your technology. So don't forget to give suggestions on this channel.